I don't give up, right? I'm one of those people that this is my third business and I'm a fairly tenacious person. But this has nearly broken me. I have to be honest. I'm like, I sit there going, you feel like you're right at the end and you're about to get delivered this amazing product to only find out it doesn't do anything they told you it was going to do. So I've been through 4 tech teams.
Oh, fort. Yeah, wow, okay. I like the fact that you can laugh at that because some people can't because it comes impactful to the business and where you're going.
The reason I'm talking to you guys, the reason that I'm really getting out there to say the truth of the story is, you know, you've got to. I think I spoke to a guy the other day. A guy rang me for a reference from my previous developers who did the wrong thing, who put me on the front page of their website, and I said to him, "No, like seriously." But interestingly, this guy's got a great idea. And I said to him, he's young, and I just said, and I'm a lot older than him. I've been around the bush and I've also run companies. So I think anything that we can impart on people building companies, the biggest challenge you will have is how much they tell you it's going to cost, how much it actually costs, and then it doesn't work. And what your expectation is on something that works. It's an unregulated industry, in my view. It's a nightmare to deal in this industry because you do not know what you're getting. And the quality of the service, having run companies for 20 years, what we deliver is our service, right? And I worked in media for radio, and you've got a product that's up there and you've got accountability. I can't see the accountability on this because I can't read code. And if I had the brains to do it, I'd go and do a course on it, but I don't even have the patience to do that. But it's been, it would, but even, just thinking that you're making the right decisions and trying to hold people accountable to the dollars that you're spending, and then finding out, I had a group take off with the code at one point, and and I had paid all this money, so and I'm smart and I've been doing this a long time, but it still got me.